Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center. We're doing IHT custom analysis and evaluation for patient 01712, a 13-year-old feline with symptoms of vomiting bile. So if we come over, symptoms are usually the presentation, what brings the client and the patient in. In this case, our 13-year-old cat was vomiting bile. The pattern is usually directed at the intestinal tract, and it's called rebellious chi. The vomiting or active vomiting means that normal nutrition is not flowing through the body, it's getting interrupted and flowing back. And we get to the deeper root of the problem, imbalance. So we have weakness and we have stress. The weak parts were circulation, allergies, joints, and lymphatics of the ear and sinus. On the stress side, pituitary, which is related to the sensory function, and also the stomach. And so the reason for vomiting in this case is stress. And the source point is going to be directed to the stomach, but also the sensory function of this kitty, what they sense to be stress in their life, is directed to their GI tract, and then they're vomiting this back up. So how does this work? Well, if we look at this diagram here, we see circulation, we see lymphatics, we see endocrine or sensory is related to the heart. Circulatory, that handles the behavior. Support to the intestinal tract, so stomach and digestion. And if we have a lot of weak points here, not enough support to the stomach. Allergies can make things worse if we add allergies in. And the control point overall for the GI tract is going to be related to stress joints. So kidney is related to that as well. So how are we going to treat this? Well, first of all, we need to calm things down. So we're going to need to use B12. Great for the GI tract, calms the nervous system, improves or maintains appetite, and is great for stress. The second thing is we're going to use focus infusion drops that get right to the area of the problem. This is where the custom drops come in because we're focusing right on this kitty's main problem. There's other cats, but there's only one cat that presents with this problem, this particular patient, so we get right to the root of it. Acupuncture is going to be helpful too to enhance release of endorphins or natural pain relievers and get this kitty back in shape again. So even though she's 13, we can still do a lot of good for this little feline.